Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome to the channel. So decided to make a little different video today. I was supposed to be always on the computer, so I decided, let's do it in the car. It's almost like a studio. It's almost better than in the bedroom there. What I'm using. On today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about communication. And the fact of listening, could be to a mentor, it could be listening to yourself, it could be listening to someone when they talk to you about either be an opportunity or whatever, like they're trying to show you something. So really the ability to be able to listen properly, and then to use that information later on in your business, right? So I think it's something critical. All right, so again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like for this video. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it brings some value to you, and then hopefully I'll be posting many more videos. So hopefully we can share more information as it goes. So a little different video. So the ability to communicate, it's really important, but I think it starts with listening properly. So be able to have a conversation. Let's say you're presenting something. Let's say for those in network marketing, for example, if you're presenting a product or something like that, take time to discuss about the approach. It's not just about your let's say your product. All right, so take time to reflect on the approach, reflect what they actually want to solve in their lives. If they're trying to determine a certain opportunity or stuff like that, determine where they're at. So ask some questions, but then really emphasize on listening. Listen to what they have to say, and then someone I listened to yesterday, and it inspired me to do this video today. She was recommending use like the 3-second rule. So you know what I mean, you're gonna ask a question or something like that, just let them time think about it. You're asking a question 1, 2, 3 before you do any sort of talking and stuff like that. So that's gonna be going a long way into your listening skills. And then I think that's probably the most important thing when you're trying to build a business. Listen, and then you can apply that down the road, right? So I think it's something critical that we don't often think about, but it's certainly something that you need to focus on to really change something with your relationships with other people and your business. All right, so I think that's an important message to tell you today. And I wanted to make it a bit different, doing it in the car today. So I was tired of just doing it on the computer, share my screen and do the tutorial video. So I decided to change it a little bit. So as you know, so we're in 2020, so now I've put some stuff in place. I'm going through again my slogan, accelerate your life. So that's really what I want to focus on, what I want to help people with, accelerating your life, either be for yourself in affiliate marketing, if it's for you in network marketing, if you're in a business right now, selling products or services and stuff like that. Or it could be any type of business, really, if you want to grow your audience and so on. So I think I can be there to help you guys, and that's really what I'm trying to develop with the Accelerate Your Life, my website now, accelerateyourlife.io. And IO is for a lot of blockchain technology. So all the cryptocurrencies you probably hear about, they're sometimes adopting or small business and technologies, they're using that input output IO domain. So I was like, why not? The .com for myself wasn't available, so I decided to go with IO. I think it represents me well. I've been investing, trading cryptocurrencies and forex and so on, so I can bring you a lot of knowledge in that as well, or even guide you, where to find the opportunities and stuff like that. I'm not a professional trader by any means, but I'm certainly doing my part to learn that stuff and and then put some key investments here and there, to really bring me stuff, give me returns while I'm actually learning this stuff. All right, so that's really what the focus of Accelerate Your Life. So really, bring that network marketing, bring the affiliate marketing. How can you be successful online? Get out of that 9 to 5 grind. Start working on something you're passionate about, and I think that's all it's about for accelerating your life. And then trading, that could be part of it. Investing could be another part of that. So I really invite you guys to contact me if any of that stuff is if you like that. And you'd like to, be a partner with me on that journey, right? It'll be successful online. So, that was pretty much it. So, in conclusion, again, communications. Make sure you listen to your teammates. Listen to your, I guess at times, parents. Listen to your friends, your mentors before you cut the conversation, and then you start talking about what you're doing. Just be listening to what they have to say, and then it's going to go a long way. Then you can take in all that knowledge and then apply it later on. So I think that could be really a change for you guys in that regard. So hopefully you like this video today. Hopefully it was value to you guys. So again, I'll be developing a bit more my website, accelerateyourlife.io. So go have a look. I'll be updating some portions of it now. It's under construction, but certainly bringing you even more value to you. So visit that, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like as well, and then the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. Hopefully you liked this video, and then I'll be doing many more for you guys. So put your comments and so on, and then we'll be back, and don't hesitate to get in touch. All right, have a good one. Bye.